Thought I'd do an update on the chicken coop. All the chickens come running over. We had to electrify this fence about a year ago after the mountain fire. Seems like the coyotes all got displaced and we lost a couple chickens. So ever since we've had that up, we haven't lost any. Chicken coop's doing good. One thing I'd always recommend, this automatic door opens at sunrise, closes at sunset. That really works out great. The inside we have sand, just washed sand from Home Depot. Put the two perches out here because the older chickens don't like to associate with the younger chickens. The feed box, it holds about 60 pounds of food in there. We do the deep litter method. Do have cameras in the hen house here and one in the run. Check on them at night, make sure everybody's in there. Got egg boxes on this side. And down there's another feed. I do have the sprinkler system tied into the water system there. And there's the nipples for the water down there. It's hard to see. But overall, there's nothing I would change.